Paramshanti. Welcome to this sacred journey inward, a journey from the noise of the world to the peace of the soul. Let us remember who we truly are, not this body, not this name, but the soul, a peaceful, eternal light. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and feel the stillness within. In that stillness, the soul awakens. Now, remember the Supreme, the ever pure, ever peaceful, eternal light, the Supreme Soul, Paramatma. In His remembrance, we, the souls, begin to radiate that same peace. Paramshanti is not just the word, it is our original nature. A point of light. So, remembering the soul is the true path to supreme peace. Paramshanti, Paramshanti, Paramshanti.
बेहद की परम शांति सोचो बोलो परम शांति